In 2023, researchers at the University of California, Davis, unveiled a groundbreaking technique for producing lab-grown meat that could potentially reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 96%. This astonishing innovation addresses the urgent need for sustainable food sources in a world grappling with climate change and food security issues. As traditional livestock farming contributes significantly to carbon footprints, this advancement promises to transform how we consume protein. The technology behind lab-grown meat, or cultured meat, involves taking a small sample of animal cells and cultivating them in a controlled environment. This process allows scientists to replicate the structure and taste of conventional meat without the environmental toll of raising livestock. For instance, companies like Memphis Meats and Mosa Meat have successfully created burger patties and chicken nuggets that taste indistinguishable from their traditional counterparts. Historically, the quest for alternatives to conventional meat began in the early 2000s, when the first lab-grown meat burger was introduced in 2013 by Dr. Mark Post of Maastricht University in the Netherlands. This initial prototype cost an astounding $330,000 to produce, using techniques that now seem rudimentary compared to today's technologies. In a dimly lit kitchen in London, the first bite of that lab-grown burger was taken by food critic Josh Skonwald. "It's not meat," he remarked, "but it's the closest thing to it." Those words echoed, setting the stage for a revolution in food production. Fast forward to 2023, and the landscape of lab-grown meat has evolved dramatically. In stark contrast to that first expensive patty, the new techniques developed at UC Davis streamline the process significantly, allowing for mass production. Imagine sterile labs filled with bioreactors, where millions of muscle cells are proliferating, nurtured in nutrient-rich media, mimicking the natural growth process. The air is filled with a faint scent of growth factors and amino acids, while scientists in white lab coats monitor the conditions meticulously, adjusting temperatures and pH levels to optimize growth. It's a scene that feels like something out of a science fiction novel, yet it's happening right now. The implications of this technology are profound. With the global population expected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, the demand for protein is set to skyrocket. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, global meat consumption is projected to increase by 70% by 2050. The challenge is daunting. Traditional animal farming requires vast amounts of land, water, and energy. It's a resource-intensive endeavor that not only strains our planet, but also leads to significant biodiversity loss. In many regions, factory farming has become synonymous with deforestation and habitat destruction. The land cleared for cattle ranching in the Amazon rainforest alone is staggering, erasing hundreds of thousands of hectares annually. In this context, lab-grown meat offers a beacon of hope. Cultured meat not only promises to meet the soaring demand for protein, but also dramatically reduces land use and water consumption. A recent study published in the journal Nature Food revealed that producing lab-grown meat could require up to 99% less land than traditional beef production. Picture a future where once barren landscapes are returned to their natural state, flourishing with wildlife, while urban centers are filled with sustainable production facilities. Yet, the journey to mainstream acceptance is not without hurdles. Ethical considerations surrounding cell sourcing remain a topic of heated debate. Consumer acceptance is also a significant factor. Surveys indicate that while many people are open to trying lab-grown meat, concerns about safety and naturalness linger. Some worry that these synthetic products may not align with their values or dietary choices. "I want to know where my food comes from," a young mother shared during a focus group discussion. This sentiment is echoed by many, signaling that transparency and education will be crucial as the industry matures. As we look ahead, the next 5 years will be pivotal. The trajectory of lab-grown meat will significantly depend on ongoing research and development, regulatory approvals, and public perception. Companies are racing to improve production methods, with the goal of bringing costs down while ensuring quality and taste. In this competitive landscape, innovation is relentless. New players are entering the market, each vying to capture the attention of consumers who are becoming increasingly conscientious about their food choices. In the coming years, we may witness lab-grown meat transition from niche products to mainstream options, reshaping our diets and the planet in the process. As scientists continue to refine techniques, and as consumer education efforts gain momentum, the vision of sustainable meat production could become a reality. The journey is not just about technology. It's about redefining our relationship with food and the environment. Ultimately, lab-grown meat could be more than just an alternative. It could signify a profound shift in how we nourish ourselves, providing a sustainable pathway that could help heal our planet. The world stands on the brink of a new culinary era. The promise of lab-grown meat could redefine our food systems, offering a sustainable solution to an impending crisis. In this transformative landscape, the choices we make today will resonate for generations to come.